Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gem for email wallet-based NFT browsing, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Gem. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will now see a prompt asking for your login method. Select the option for wallet-based login. Next, you will be prompted to connect your digital wallet. Choose your wallet from the list of supported options. After selecting your wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to connect it. You may need to confirm the connection in your wallet interface. Once connected, you will be redirected back to the Gem platform. You may see a notification confirming your login success. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You can browse available NFTs by navigating to the Marketplace section. Use the search bar to find specific NFTs, if desired. Explore popular collections and new listings directly on the homepage. To view your wallet balance, look in the Account section. This completes the login process to Gem for email wallet-based NFT browsing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.